Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Gundam World Sangoku Soketsuden Cao Wing Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, I am really excited to get the next few kits of this line, and oh man, I've seen the first episode of like the story about Cao's past, and man, it's pretty promising. I really liked it. So yeah, we're getting we're trying to get a model kit in, and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, so basically, yeah, Cao is basically based off the Wing Gundam Zero, but I don't know why they didn't say Wing Gundam Zero, but it just says Wing Gundam. But never mind, it's still Wing Zero nonetheless. So yeah, I saw the first, like I said, I've seen the first episode of the Cao's backstory. And it was pretty interesting. Yeah, I mean, it tells him it's when he's young, and it's pretty cute, really. So I'm really excited to get this guy building, really. So let's go in the box. So yeah, the box art, yeah, so it looks pretty cool. On the side here, on the side here, you got what the kit looks like straight up painted, and then it comes with a what should I call it? Like, it comes with like some kind of memory card, just like the Liu Bei Unicorn Gundam. It's also the same for I guess Sun Jian, which I actually got him as well, along with Dong Zuo. Yep, I'll do the unboxing later. And yeah, basically, yeah, you can do that, and basically he has those twin swords. This isn't too much, right? We can combine them together to make one big sword. Very similar to the short reader, if I put it away, and the I guess the short reader. Yes, if I put it away, the short reader. And the back, nothing much here. It doesn't mention the retail price like the newer kits, but I believe this costs about I think 800. I can't remember. I'll put a little title here so you can see. Alright, let's open the box live. It's a little bit late right now, but I've not opened it until nighttime, so let's open. Alright, so in the box. Come on, there we go. First part, we got the stickers. Again, pretty good. You don't get a lot in this kit. That's pretty good. And you've got the clear pieces, which is the memory, the Phoenix memory, which is the memory card. You got the swords. You've got some of the clear parts. I'll test on the back and see what it goes in now. I'll put a tile here to tell you if it goes on the back light. And on the back, you got the blue parts. Yeah, that's simple stuff. And next we got the D plate, which is okay. This gold, I prefer this gold is not so bad. Though I wish the Liu Bei, Guan Yu, and Zhang Fei had this kind of gold. Because the gold that comes in is a little more brighter and more cheap. This one feels more like better if I put it away. And of course you got the frame of the what should I call it, the kit. And the last part, you got the E plate, which is all the clear red. Oh, that's interesting. Clear red instead. It's not solid red. They give you clear red for the goatee and the chest piece. That's really interesting. And you get the black parts for the some parts of the gut of Cao, and then you get the kind of a dull silver. It's not very light, and it's a little bit more darker, which is I saw in premium pictures it was a little more lighter, but yeah, you know what can you do. And here's the manual. I'll put it aside here. And there's the manual. Yeah, it does its job. You can go possibly you want. Done? Good. Alright. Yep, basically, yeah, that's him fighting against Liu Bu from Shenanju, which still come on kit like sometime later. And then again, you can pause it where you want. Oops. You can pause it where you want. Pause it right here if you want. Alright. Let's open up the manual, and yes, it is just the usual stuff for a gunpla kit, basically. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the SD Cao Wing Gundam. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this. I mean, not immediately. I'll see whether I can build it sometime later, but I'll see how it goes. So yeah. So guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.